South Africa's sporting world is in mourning following the passing of revered sports broadcaster Phumlani Msibi, who died on Friday evening at the age of 57 after a short illness. An outpouring of tributes from across the nation, spanning sports legends, political figures, and colleagues, painted a picture of a man whose voice and presence left an indelible mark on the country's sporting landscape. Msibi launched his illustrious broadcasting career at the South African Broadcasting Corporation (SABC), later becoming a cornerstone of MultiChoice's SuperSport, where his voice became synonymous with local football, continental tournaments, boxing rings, and even the thrill of horse racing. SuperSport CEO Rendani Ramova was among the first to react to the heartbreaking news, praising Msibi's professionalism and legacy he leaves behind, and said Msibi's loss will be felt not just by the broadcaster and the football fraternity, but by the whole sporting community at large. We are gravely saddened by his passing. Veteran broadcaster and former colleague Thomas Kwenate offered a moving farewell, recalling the warmth and wit Msibi brought to every interaction, and said, "This is farewell, but a heartfelt goodbye to a wonderful soul," and former colleague Phumlani Msibi, who sadly left the shores on Friday evening following a short illness. Go prepare a studio for when we arrive, then ask us your thoughts, please. Ampakahle Msibi, rest easy. Minister of Sports, Arts and Culture Gayton McKenzie also extended his condolences, sharing my deepest and most sincerest condolences to the Msibi family. Moilu Grootman. The EFF joined the chorus of tributes, stating the EFF sends its heartfelt condolences to the family, friends and colleagues of legendary sports anchor Phumlani Msibi following his passing. May his soul rest in eternal peace. Footballers too remembered the man behind the microphone. Midfielder Michael Mouton captured the absence of the respect Msibi commanded and said, "Rest in peace, Mr. Msibi. Fortunate to have crossed your path and to have had the privilege of meeting you and being interviewed by you. Top man, you will be sorely missed." Phumlani Msibi wasn't just a sports broadcaster, he was a storyteller, a mentor, and a custodian of South Africa's sporting heartbeat. His voice may be gone, but the echo of his passion will continue to reverberate across stadiums, studios, and hearts for years to come. May his soul rest in peace. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.